Nintendo Switch single Joy-Con controller gets a price cut. Here's all you need to know. Nintendo is cutting the price of a single Joy-Con controller to $39.99, roughly 3,000 rupees. Nintendo Switch Joy-Con controller will be available for purchase at the lower price in the US from November 9th onwards. The discount will only apply to two controller models, Neon Blue and Neon Red color variants. Nintendo has been charging $49.99, roughly 3,700 rupees, for single controller replacement since it launched the Switch in 2017. The Japanese company announced the price drop through Twitter. A full set of controllers is priced at $79.99, roughly 5,900 rupees, on the Nintendo Store, although it is available on sale for $69, roughly 5,100 rupees, on Amazon right now. The price of the full set of controllers will not be affected. The price drop by Nintendo will be useful for people who want to play games with more people. Nintendo Switch Review was released in 2017 and as of June 30 this year, 61.44 million units have been sold globally. From November 6, Nintendo will also have a price drop in Japan. As per a report, the price of an individual Joy-Con controller will be reduced to 3,740 Japanese yen, roughly $36 or 2,600 rupees, from 4,480 Japanese yen, roughly $43 or 3,200 rupees. This price cut will apply to all available color variants of the Joy-Con on Nintendo's online store: gray, red, blue, yellow, pink, green, and neon red. Meanwhile, Nintendo may release an upgraded version of the Switch next year, as per recent reports. The reports claim that the company is working on a more powerful version of the Nintendo Switch, which will bring better picture quality. Another report claimed that Nintendo is planning on supporting 4K high-definition graphics with more computing power in the next-generation Switch. It also states that the upgraded Switch will come with a variety of games from Nintendo as well as from other studios. The games will range from casual experiences to marathon gaming sessions. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.